Hi, this is Art Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the hot water inlet valve on your LG washer. These instructions also apply to some Kenmore models that were manufactured by LG. These Kenmore models have 796 as the first three digits of their model number. The washer's hot water inlet valve controls the flow of hot water into the appliance. The valve opens and closes to allow the passage of water during the appropriate stages of the washer cycle. If the washer's hot water inlet valve fails, the washer may experience a supply issue like not filling with enough water or simply not filling at all. Alternatively, if the hot water inlet valve has a leak, water may seep into the washer when not in use. A leaky valve can also cause the washer to overfill. If you need to purchase a new hot water inlet valve for your LG washer, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. For this repair, you'll need to disconnect power and water to the washer. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove these two screws on the back of the washer. Then slide the top panel back about ½ an inch and lift it up to remove it. If you are having problems removing the top panel, try sliding it forward slightly to lift it up. The hot water inlet valve is located here. Gently pull off the electrical connector to disconnect it from the valve. Then, using a pair of pliers, remove the hose clamp from the valve. Leave it on the hose. Next, pull the hose to remove it from the valve. When pulling, move the hose side to side to make it easier to remove. This might require a good amount of force. Then, using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the two screws on the back of the washer, holding the valve in place. If you need to purchase a new hot water inlet valve, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the inlet valve to the back of the washer and install the two screws. Then press the hose onto the valve. Using a pair of pliers to pinch the hose clamp, re-secure it around the valve. Next, press the electrical connector onto the valve. To reinstall the top panel, align it to the washer so that the rear brackets are towards the back of the washer. Then, align the tabs on the top of the washer to the slots on the bottom of the panel and set it into place. Slide it forward to secure it in place. Next, reinstall the two screws to secure the top panel. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.